Exploring solar in 2024. Thinking about solar energy is like finding a way to save money for a long time and help the environment. Let's learn why solar is good for money, the environment, and why it's important to start thinking about it before prices go up. The sooner you invest in solar, the more you get to lock in your rate. Whether you're thinking about solar panels, backup batteries, or figuring out net metering, this guide will help you understand how to have energy that's good for the earth and your wallet. If you want to know more, you can call Freddie Avila, the solar consultant, at 310-940-8886 for special information about using solar power. Here are a few facts, misconceptions, and things to think about when investing in solar. Solar energy, questions and answers, fiction, and misconceptions. 1. Will solar save you money? If you've purchased panels at a fair market price, you'll experience monthly savings in the long term. 2. Will solar panels get cheaper in 2024? Yes. Advancements in technology, economies of scale, and increased market competition are expected to drive down solar panel prices in 2024. 3. What is net metering? Net metering is a billing tool that allows excess energy generated by your panels to be sent to the local grid, earning you credits on your monthly electric bills. Many states offer net metering programs as solar incentives, though credit rates may vary. 4. How much money can you make selling electricity back to the grid in California? The earnings from selling electricity back to the grid in California vary based on market value. While there's no set dollar figure, some producers make from 4 to 8 per kilowatt sold back. 5. What are the downsides of net metering? Without time of use billing, the value of net metering credits isn't adjusted based on the time of production. Additionally, an excess of net metered solar installations may not address peak evening demand. 6. How often should you wash your solar panels? Cleaning solar panels every 6 months is generally reasonable, but frequency may vary based on factors such as location, with dusty farmlands or desert areas requiring more frequent cleaning. 7. How should you clean your solar panels? Rinse your panels with a water hose or low-pressure sprayer, UC soapy water, and gently scrub with a scrubber to remove a debris or buildup. 8. What is the downside of getting solar panels? Solar energy has limitations, such as being less effective if your roof faces north or is angled too steeply. Moving shortly after installation may hinder full cost recovery, and solar panels don't work at night. 9. You will qualify for a 30% tax credit. The Federal Solar Tax Credit, also known as the Investment Tax Credit, ITC, allows claiming 30% of the solar energy system's cost as a credit on your federal tax bill. 10. Why going solar is great, but what are its flaws? The push for solar and electric cars aims to address environmental concerns, but challenges arise with electric car batteries, posing disposal issues. Efforts are ongoing to develop recycling and sustainable disposal methods. 11. How much should you pay for solar panels? Understanding installation costs is crucial. The expenses can vary widely, with the average cost ranging between $13,000 and $20,000 for a 6 kW system. Depending on the state, high-end installations can reach $40,000 or more. 12. What are the costs of backup solar batteries? Solar batteries come in a range from $200 for emergency usage to $14,000 for a comprehensive lithium-ion system. These batteries provide a reliable power source during nighttime, inclement weather, or unexpected outages, contributing to long-term savings based on individual home needs. 13. Why is home electricity cost going up? Rising home electricity costs result from increased demand, limited supply, fluctuating fuel prices, infrastructure investments, the shift to renewable energy, regulatory changes, weather events, market competition, and greed. 14. Why is it a good idea to get solar now? You get to lock in your rate. Avoid yearly rate increases, scheduled to be 17.6% in 2024, 10.5% in 2025, 9.2% in 2026, and 7.7% in 2027. What if I can't afford the cost of solar? Assistance is provided for low-income homeowners through programs by nonprofit organizations, installing no-cost rooftop solar panels to help lower household electricity costs. I'm looking more into this. 17. What would you suggest for solar in 2024? You highly recommend a 125 offset and 1 solar storage backup. It's advisable to have in writing the option to add more solar panels or batteries in the near future from the installer as well. 18. What should I look for when searching for a solar company? Years in business. Verify the physical address on Google. Check reviews on Google, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, and Contractors Board. Examine product brands and warranties. The company I represent offers a 30-year warranty with no out-of-pocket cost. Racking systems, solar panels, installation workmanship error, roof penetration, and inverters. 19. What should I do if I want to add more solar panels to my existing install? Verify if your installer is still in business and check the polarity of existing panels to accurately increase by at least 125%. 20. What's the difference between PPAs and leases? Both options offer zero down payment and fixed rate choices. PPAs allow homeowners to own the system after 5 years, with a possible escalation rate catching up to the fixed rate. Both provide free energy monitoring for 20 to 30 years. PPA's tax credit is retained by the homeowner, but with leases, tax credits are retained by the solar installation company. Leases at times make it difficult to sell your home. It may need to be purchased outright, included in the price of the home being sold, or added to escrow on behalf of the seller. 21. Why do so many solar companies go out of business? They weren't able to brand or market themselves properly. They may have had low prices, but weren't able to keep their doors open because not enough business came in, too much overhead, and did not think about future installation issues that had to be dealt with. Poor customer service and business practices did not take into consideration the value of community culture. Quality of products and workmanship was below average. They did not take advantage of social engagement, online presence, and word of mouth to its full potential. Finally, have you wondered about free solar panels ads? So what's the truth behind government programs? Let's unveil the answers. If you've seen ads promising free solar panels or claims like United States, government pays middle-class families to go solar, be cautious. These ads are often scams to capture your information. In reality, the government doesn't provide free solar panels. While some agencies have programs subsidizing solar, they're usually for qualifying low-income households. Thank you for reaching this point. Let's explore why you might choose solar as an option. Let's identify reasons like high electricity costs, household expansion, or purchasing an electric car. If you would like a quote, please submit your yearly usage statement with a consumption graph, specify your roof type and age, and provide photos of your electrical panel to check for 200 amp support. Once prepared, schedule an appointment for a personalized quote with Freddie Avila. If you find this helpful, consider sharing and subscribing for more upcoming videos. Presented by Home Solar. Simplified, Freddie Avila. Thank you for watching till the end. If you find this information valuable, kindly subscribe and share it with friends, family members, or coworkers who are contemplating solar options.